In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import JSON file data to Power BI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can bring your JSON data into Power BI with confidence. Start in Power BI on the Home tab. At the top, you'll see the Get Data dropdown. This is your gateway to all the different data sources Power BI can connect to. Go ahead and click that dropdown. If you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry, that's completely normal. Next, choose More. This opens the full data source gallery, which is the easiest way to find exactly the connector you want. The list is long, so instead of scrolling, use the search box in the upper corner of the dialog. Type JSON. Power BI includes a dedicated JSON connector that understands the structure of JSON files, including nested objects and arrays. When you see JSON in the results, select it and continue. At this point, your computer's file manager will open and prompt you to choose the JSON file you want to import. Navigate to the folder where your file lives. If you're not seeing it, confirm the file extension is .json and that the file type filter isn't hiding it. Selecting the correct file is important, especially if you have multiple versions. Consider picking the one that's most up to date or clearly named. Once you've selected the file, confirm your choice and let Power BI do the heavy lifting. You'll see it begin to process the file. The time this takes depends on the size and complexity of your data, so give it a moment. Behind the scenes, Power BI reads the JSON structure and prepares it for use in your report. If the file is well-formed and accessible, you'll see the data appear, ready to work with in your model and visuals. That's all there is to it. To recap the flow, start from the Get Data dropdown on the Home tab, choose More to open the full list, search for and select JSON, then pick your file in the File Manager and wait for the import to complete. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you know where your JSON file is saved before you start, close any applications that might be locking the file, and remember that the cleaner your JSON structure, the easier it will be for Power BI to interpret the data. You've just learned the quickest way to bring JSON file data into Power BI. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.